In this video, I'm going to show you how to buy Bitcoin with Chime Bank. This is going to be a quick tutorial, so stick around till the end. I'm going to showcase this website called Paxful because you will not be able to buy Bitcoin directly from the Chime Bank. You will not find the option to do so on their mobile app. So Paxful is great because it allows us to buy Bitcoin with Chime Instant Transfers. Besides Chime Instant Transfers, it also offers a variety of payment methods. So all that you have to do is visit their website at paxful.com in a web browser on your computer or your phone. And then here you have the option to buy and sell cryptocurrencies. I'm just going to go ahead and select Bitcoin for this video. So once you select Bitcoin after choosing buy, when you click on the payment methods, you will notice that they have plenty of options to choose from. The best way to use Chime is to use this search function at the top to look for Chime Instant Transfers. And it's going to appear immediately upon typing Chime. Now you can include the amount that you want to buy in your currency. You will notice that there are plenty of currencies available and they convert this automatically. You will also get the amount equivalent in Bitcoin over here. If you are satisfied, just go ahead and click Find Offers. You will now be able to browse through all of the vendors that are hosting on Paxful. And as you can see, they are all filtered by Chime Instant Transfers. So any of this will allow you to buy and pay Chime Instant Transfers. So just go ahead and browse through them. You will notice some of them will have reputation points. So you might want to consider finding someone with a high reputation on the website. All that you have to do afterward is click the Buy Bitcoin icon. Follow the instructions on the screen and sign up on their website to finish making this purchase. When you click buy on any of the sellers, you can see all the reviews and all the information regarding their profile. So as you can see, look for the ones to have their ID, email address, and phone verified. See the average trade speed and be aware of any possible fees. If all of this satisfies you, sign up and you will be able to use your bank account to purchase Bitcoin. And that is how to buy Bitcoin with Chime Bank.